Right across the hall from the thermal suite is the fitness center on the Carnival Panorama. On the right here is a room called the Motion Studio, where you can do spinning classes and other things. And then here is the fitness center. On the left as you walk in is a nice little area with yoga mats and some medicine balls and a mirror. My husband and I really enjoyed stretching over here. In this fitness studio, all the way around, there are windows facing out the front. They're covered right now. And then you've got some bikes here and some ellipticals on the other side, as well as some treadmills. And behind these ellipticals you can see are a couple of recumbent bikes back there. If you look real closely you can see them. And then a couple of rowing machines. And along the whole left wall over here are more treadmills. There's tons of treadmills in here. And then on the right we have the lifting equipment, which there was always something open while we were here. So it's not full all the time, which was great. And then straight ahead you have the free weights. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of the fitness center on the Carnival Panorama, and we hope to see you again soon.